Hi, my name is Stefan, and in this short K2-based training video, I want to show you what you can do in case your building is not on the satellite image or the quality is too bad. I already prepared a project. As you can see, we're on the roof page. So next step is to draw the roof. And the building, the flat roof here, is not there yet. So there's two ways how you can handle that. The first one, you can just draw it anyways, right? So you select your roof type, you select your roof shape, the sheet material, you click on add, and you draw the building as you used to by clicking on the canvas. And what I'm going to do now in this case, I'll immediately switch to our 2D mode. And in there, I can just edit the size of the building really fast. So that's one way. There's another one, pretty cool. If you already have an image, either a plan, a drone image, you can now upload that as well. So let's have a look. So we have that new tab up here called Upload Satellite Image. If you click on it, you're prompted to select the file you want to upload. And Base supports the most common file formats. So you can upload a JPEG, you can upload a PNG or a WebP. If you have something like a PDF or a drone image, like I said, or a CAD plan, just take a screenshot, upload that, works all the time. Right? So let's see how that works. Once you select the file, you immediately have that in the preview view on the right side. So I'm just going to click on upload, and the image is in base. And as you can see, we have two views, right? So on the left, you have the uploaded image. On the right, you have the satellite view. What you can do now is you can use those pins to size the whole image and to also place it inside the canvas of the satellite. So let's assume this part here is not 10 meters, it's 15. I could either grab the pins, or to make it faster, I can just input that, right? So click on continue, and the image is uploaded. So I'm gonna just drag it to where I want to have it, and there's different opacity levels that you can use with. You can either make it completely invisible, or, and that's the way that I prefer it actually, you can just see the plan like I do here. So you click on next, you select the roof type, roof shape, sheet material, you click on add, and the drawing is the same as it was before.